Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch animation in After Effects. First, we'll import your hand-drawn sketches, ensuring they are properly scanned or photographed. Next, I'll guide you through preparing your artwork, focusing on cleaning up lines and separating elements for individual animation. Finally, we'll set up your After Effects composition, choosing the right dimensions and frame rate for a smooth, professional look. This foundational step is crucial for bringing your unique drawings to life. Now, let's make those lines move. We'll use the powerful Trim Paths effect to create the illusion of your sketch being drawn on screen. I'll show you how to apply this effect to your vector lines and adjust its start and end properties. By setting keyframes, you can precisely control the speed and timing of your drawing animation. Remember to add easing to your keyframes for a more organic and less robotic movement, making your animation truly engaging. To elevate your sketch animation, let's add some texture and depth. We'll bring in scan paper textures or digital texture assets to give your animation that authentic, tactile feel. I'll demonstrate how to use various blend modes, like multiply or overlay, to integrate these textures naturally with your sketch layers. Additionally, we'll explore simple techniques for adding subtle shadows and highlights, giving your two-dimensional drawings a convincing sense of volume and depth. Finally, it's time to refine and export your masterpiece. Take a moment to review your entire animation, checking for any timing issues or visual inconsistencies. We'll then dive into the render queue, where I'll guide you through optimizing your export settings for the best quality and file size, whether for web or broadcast. This ensures your sketch animation looks fantastic on any platform. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.